Hey friends, welcome back. Are you as excited as we are for today's tips?
We'll be covering AI safety today. Let's dive in.
I have 5 tips to cover. Are you ready?
Tip number 1. Ask a parent.
You may want to ask, is this AI safe for kids? This way, you will know if the tool is appropriate and not meant for adults.
Really, if you're unsure of anything, just ask. I can promise you that your parents will be happy that you did, and proud of you too.
Let's move on to tip number 2. Privacy is important. Here's a list of items that you should not share. Your real name, your address, what school you go to, any passwords you have. Photos of yourself is also a big no-no. Basically, anything private you should just keep to yourself. Tip number 3, be kind. Kindness is a habit we practice everywhere. If you're kind when talking to AI, it helps you get used to being kind when talking to real people too. You also create a safe and positive space. Even though AI doesn't get upset, using rude words can make you feel upset or stressed without realizing it. Tip number 4, fact check. Even though AI is super helpful and really smart, it's not perfect. AI can make mistakes sometimes. Just like people, AI can get confused or mix things up. Fact-checking helps make sure the information is actually correct. AI is amazing, but it's not always right. Fact-checking helps you be safe, smart, and super confident, like a real scientist or detective. Fact-checking reminds you that you're still the decision-maker, not the AI.
On to tip number 5. This is likely your teacher's favorite tip. No cheating. Cheating means you don't learn anything yourself. If AI does your work for you, your brain doesn't get stronger. And let's be real, cheating doesn't feel as good as doing it on your own. Finishing something yourself gives you that I did it feeling. When AI does the work, that feeling goes away, and then you actually miss out on feeling proud. So just do your work yourself. Write it on the chalkboard proudly for all to see. The way you can explain the knowledge yourself will impress your teacher and get you good grades too.
Well, I feel like my job here today is done. I feel super confident that you all have learned some basic AI safety rules. I'll be sure to cover this topic again as it's an important one. But for now, you all get a nice big check mark for listening and learning.
Bye for now, friends. And if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe.